When we photographed the puppies, I shot this at, I think I was using the 28-70 lens, which is my favorite go-to lens. I love the ability that this lens has to capture so many different angles and different focal lengths. So you've got that variety, that variation that you need when you're working with very unpredictable subjects like puppies. And 6 puppies in the studio, and they were around 7 weeks of age. They were busy. They were very playful and 100 miles an hour. When this little guy was placed down inside the bucket, I had a split second before he was gone. So the minute he turned and he looked at that camera, I knew I'd got that shot. But what I didn't know was just how much detail I'd actually captured. And I was, I reckon, here about 4 or 5 meters away from this little guy. And look at the detail in his face. Every single eyelash, the little hairs and whiskers on his chin, like that there. Until I downloaded this and zoomed in, I I just couldn't believe how much it had actually captured within that scene. And that expression. It's kind of insane when you think about it. This camera is not only going to change the way that I shoot and my mindset around this. Normally I would visualize having to do, like I said before, lots of head swaps, but now I know that I'm going to get these shots in camera, and I'm working with puppies all the time and they are unpredictable, so you've got to be able to have that confidence that you're going to capture what you need. Being able to go in and select what it is that you want that camera to track, whether it be human or animal, having that ability, that is a complete game changer. And you can totally understand why this camera has the nickname of the King, because it is by far better than anything else I have ever worked with. Wow. The detail that's in this print is insane, and check out the size of it. I think it's pretty safe to say that the EOS R5 has exceeded my expectations on every level.